The world of cinema is changing. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is quickly becoming a valuable tool for filmmakers. AI is no longer just a futuristic concept, it's here, and it's changing how we create and experience movies. From generating scripts to crafting stunning visuals, AI is revolutionizing the filmmaking process. In the past, creating a film was a laborious process, requiring large teams and even larger budgets. Now, AI is streamlining many aspects of this process, making filmmaking more accessible and efficient. Imagine a world where complex special effects are generated effortlessly, or where scripts are polished to perfection with the help of intelligent algorithms. This is the promise of AI in cinema. This new era of filmmaking blends human creativity with the power of AI. It's not about replacing human artists, but empowering them with new tools and possibilities. We're standing on the edge of a new cinematic revolution, and the future of filmmaking is exciting. Writing a compelling screenplay is no easy feat. It demands creativity, structure, and a deep understanding of storytelling. Today, AI tools are emerging as valuable partners for screenwriters, offering assistance in various aspects of the writing process. AI-powered scriptwriting tools can analyze vast databases of existing scripts and movie plots. This analysis helps them identify patterns and structures that contribute to successful storytelling. They can then use this knowledge to suggest plot points, character arcs, and even dialogue options to the screenwriter. These AI assistants can help overcome writer's block by offering fresh ideas and perspectives. They can also analyze a script for pacing, character development, and plot holes, providing valuable feedback to improve the overall narrative. Imagine having an assistant that can not only type your script but also help you brainstorm, refine your plot, and even suggest that killer line of dialogue. That's the power AI brings to screenwriting. Before a single frame is shot, filmmakers need a clear vision of their movie's visual style. This is where concept art and storyboarding come in, and AI is rapidly changing these areas. AI can analyze scripts and generate visual representations of characters, environments, and key scenes, giving filmmakers a visual roadmap for their project. Imagine feeding an AI tool your script and having it generate a series of images depicting key scenes, complete with characters and backgrounds. This is no longer a futuristic fantasy, but a reality. AI art generators can create stunning and imaginative visuals based on text prompts or even rough sketches. This technology allows filmmakers to experiment with different visual styles, explore various artistic possibilities, and communicate their vision more effectively to the production team. This not only saves time and resources, but also unlocks a world of creative potential. With AI, even filmmakers with limited budgets can access high-quality concept art and storyboards, making the world of filmmaking more accessible than ever before. The production phase of filmmaking is where the magic truly comes to life. AI is revolutionizing this phase as well, impacting everything from camera work to special effects. AI-powered cameras can track actors' movements with incredible precision, enabling complex and dynamic shots that would be difficult or impossible to achieve with traditional methods. AI is also transforming the world of special effects. Creating realistic CGI characters and environments is a time-consuming and expensive process. However, AI can now generate these effects with remarkable realism and speed. Imagine creating a breathtaking scene with a fire-breathing dragon, not with months of painstaking CGI work, but with the help of AI algorithms that can generate these visuals almost instantly. This not only saves time and money, but also allows filmmakers to push the boundaries of visual storytelling. With AI, the only limit is the imagination. Section 5, the editing room of the future, AI in post-production. Post-production is where the final film takes shape. AI is streamlining the editing process, making it faster and more intuitive. AI-powered editing software can analyze footage and automatically identify the best takes. It can even synchronize audio and video, color-correct scenes, and add special effects with minimal human intervention. Think of an AI assistant that can sift through hours of footage, identify the perfect shots, and even assemble a rough cut of your film. This is what AI brings to the editing room. AI can also analyze audience reactions during test screenings and provide feedback on pacing, emotional impact, and overall engagement. This data helps filmmakers fine-tune their work and create a final product that resonates with viewers. This allows editors to focus on the creative aspects of their work, such as pacing, narrative flow, and emotional impact, while the AI handles the more technical aspects. This synergy between human creativity and AI precision is shaping the future of post-production. AI's impact on cinema is not a distant dream, it's already happening. Several movies have successfully employed AI in various stages of production. For example, the science fiction film Sunspring used AI to generate parts of its script, showcasing the technology's potential in screenwriting. Another example is the use of AI in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. These films often use AI-powered tools to de-age actors, create realistic crowd scenes, and generate complex visual effects. This demonstrates the technology's ability to enhance storytelling and create immersive cinematic experiences. These examples are just the tip of the iceberg. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative and groundbreaking uses of AI in filmmaking in the years to come. One of the most exciting aspects of AI in cinema is its potential to democratize filmmaking. Traditionally, creating a film required significant financial resources and a large team of skilled professionals. However, AI is breaking down these barriers, making filmmaking more accessible to independent creators and aspiring filmmakers. AI-powered tools and software are becoming more affordable and user-friendly, allowing individuals and small teams to achieve results that were once only possible for big-budget productions. This accessibility opens up the world of filmmaking to a new generation of storytellers, empowering them to bring their unique visions to life. Imagine a world where anyone with a story to tell and a smartphone can create a visually stunning and emotionally captivating film. This is the promise of AI in cinema, to empower creativity and make storytelling more accessible than ever before. As with any transformative technology, AI in filmmaking brings its own set of ethical considerations. One crucial concern is the potential displacement of human jobs. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it's essential to address concerns about job security and ensure that human creativity remains at the heart of filmmaking. Another important consideration is the issue of bias in AI algorithms. AI tools are trained on vast data sets, and if these data sets reflect existing biases, the AI-generated content may perpetuate those biases. Filmmakers must be aware of this and work to mitigate bias in their AI tools to ensure diversity and inclusivity in their storytelling. Navigating these ethical challenges is crucial for the responsible and ethical development of AI in cinema. Open discussions, industry guidelines, and ongoing research will play a vital role in shaping a future where AI enhances creativity without compromising ethical values. The future of AI in filmmaking is brimming with possibilities. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative and groundbreaking applications in cinema. Imagine AI tools that can analyze audience reactions in real time and adjust the movie's pacing, soundtrack, or even plot points on the fly to create a truly immersive and personalized viewing experience. AI could also play a crucial role in preserving and restoring classic films. By analyzing old films, AI algorithms can identify and repair damage, improve image quality, and even recreate lost scenes, ensuring that cinematic treasures are preserved for future generations. The convergence of AI and filmmaking is still in its early stages. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, one thing is certain. AI has the potential to revolutionize cinema as we know it, opening up a world of creative possibilities and transforming the way we experience stories on the silver screen.